Gen friends, today we have the newspaper of 6th March 2025. Zelensky is open to peace talk, minerals deal, say Trump. US will impose reciprocal tariff from April to Trump. Cookie Joe body oppose civil society group march to Hill. Retain existing Lok Sabha seat for next 30 years, Tamil Nadu TN parties. Their march to Chandigarh thwart Punjab farm outfit decaying reparations by Mahan government. Kerala, a leader of parties, refute CM's charges that Congress failed to take allies along in poll. 2.5 crores women to get pending monthly aid on March 8. 2020 Northeast Delhi riot. Police oppose FIR against BJP Minister Kapil Misra. Debris clears picks up pace at tunnel, Telangana tunnel. Partner of Valyar victim must be made accused in all case, CBI submit in court. Kejriwal face flag in Delhi, Punjab for arriving with cavalcade for Vipassana. Over centralization's threat, federal health policy. Deep sea market disrupt must awaken India. Humor perversity. With laws there to deal with obesity, new regulations must be superfluous. Who will apologize to the Himalaya? Traditional practice and the ethnic delivery in the Himalaya regions are increasingly multiplying in favor of profit-driven incentives. Germany 2020 poll result, a highly fractured verdict. A brief history of Russia-Ukraine war. Stories of political incarnations and censorship, unlikely solidarity. No response from India on Trump affairs so far. Aurangzeb remark SPMLA suspended from assembly. Before case, CBI spent judicial request to US seeking information from private investors. Budget will pave way for a stronger workforce, Modi. Amid charges of anomalies, CEC to use digital platform to reduce error. Jaishankar, British Foreign Secretary, discussed Ukrainian-Bangladesh bilateral ties. UP women burial in UAE delay as India's embassy is yet to give consent. Father. India is a good venue for productions and capacity expansion. Nifty breaks 10-day losing strength. Reserve Bank to buy 1 lakh crore GSEC. 4 Fab India serve sector growing surges. RBI names Joshi as executive director. Aiming for last mile delivery of cares with digital infrastructure. IT firm Joho plan to expand fast global, says CEO Wembu. Trump vowed to stick with his plan to reshape America in Congress speech. Greenland is ours, say PM Hayes, defying Trump threat. Mission against Hamas not accomplished yet, says Israeli new army chief Zamir. Pakistan mourn 18 including 5 soldiers killed in bomb blast. Beijing revamps up its defense spending by 7.2 to challenge US. That's from my side, friends. See you soon. Jai Hind.